Welcome to the wonderful world of multilingual, voice narrated, audiovisual, and animated world of HumDee.
Hi, my name is Sudhir Rao and welcome to another edition of HumDee demo videos. In this demo video, I'm going to show you the entire math module, mathematics module in HumDee. HumDee has substantial mathematical content that is that can be used in English as well as in your local state language such as Kannada, and in North India you can use Hindi, and should you want it in Marathi for Maharashtra, we can definitely support it. If you want it in Tamil for Tamil Nadu, we can support it. Same with Odia in Odisha and Telugu in Andhra Pradesh or Telangana. So the focus of this video, as I said, is going to be primarily on the mathematical content. We have pretty much a lot of content available for class 1 through class 5. So right from, let's start with numbers. So these are single digit numbers. You can teach children numbers using HumDee. A teacher can use it, or children can use it as a self-learning module.
Your app will start in a moment. When it opens, please click on your preferred language.
So this is the numbers app. In this case, it is single digit numbers 0 through 9.
Hi, my name is Rusty. Will you help me learn numbers today?
So I'm going to terminate the app.
Today,
You saw that we have a numbers app, then we have a counting app.
Your app will start in a moment. When it opens, please click on your preferred language.
So this app teaches a student how to learn counting.
hi HumDee.
Hi Risky, how are you?
So terminating the app, so that's numbers and counting. Then under geometry, there are shapes. There's a shape identifier app, and then there's a shape canvas app. Again, that teaches children different geometric shapes. Then we have a memory game. Memory game is again this is basically teaches children how to recognize numbers and to remember where the numbers are using playing cards. So
your app will start in a moment. When it opens, please click on your preferred language.
Hi, my name is HumDee. Today we are going to play a memory game with cards.
So that's the app for a memory game. Then we have a place value app. Place value that will also teach children basically the base 10 value system, but based on feedback we have, the place value system is going to be split up from the base 10 value system, and I'll create a separate app for that. Now we also have addition. We are going to support different addition methodologies. The addition method that is taught in different states in Karnataka, if it involves using the carry method, we will teach we will show you how students how to learn addition using the carry method. We will also support if any other state uses a method that does not involve the carry method, we'll support it. We have subtraction. Under subtraction also we will support different methodologies or techniques of teaching subtraction. One of the methods is to use the borrow and regroup method, and the other method is using without borrow. So we are going to support both. We will have support for multiplication tables, and then we will have support for multiplication itself. Under multiplication, we will support both without carry and with carry. And then division was shown in an earlier video, a couple of other videos. So you can see division is part of the math content here. And as we, with each week and month, we'll keep adding more math content. We'll add fractions. For example, in the level 2 console, we already have a fraction simplifier app that teaches students how to simplify fractions. I'm just launching the app so you kind of know what content we have.
Your app will start in a moment. When it opens, please click on your preferred language.
Hi, my name is Rusky.
So that was the fraction simplification app. Now let's click on the math. Go back to level 1. We'll click on the math math topic area here. Under the math topic area, curricular content like math textbooks and other math topics can be accessible by class. This is a virtual book. For example, this is Mathematics 1. Mathematics 1 is for class 1. Okay, so the way to actually use this virtual app or virtual book is you'll see the chapters on the left. For example, in Karnataka, they start with the chapter Shapes and Space. Then they have 1-digit numbers. They have 1-digit counting, addition 1 digit. Now, corresponding to those chapters, you can actually launch the textbook for Karnataka, which I clicked on right now. So this is loading the Karnataka State Board textbook in English medium, and I will show you that we can load the Kannada medium book as well. All right, so this is the Kannada, the English medium book. We can click on this other icon here that will load the Kannada medium book for us. So waiting for the textbook to load. All right, so this you can see is the loading of the Kannada medium, and we are pretty much soon going to add Uttar Pradesh and Hindi. And again, for each of these chapters, you will have corresponding activity sheets. The activity sheets, if you click on them, you can access the activity sheets. In this case, this is for the first chapter on shapes. So one of the activity sheets is to identify the different geometric shapes. Now this corresponding YouTube content for the class.
ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ? ಆಕೃತಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ.
Okay, that was the Kannada YouTube content for the chapter Shapes and Space. Similarly, you will have other YouTube content, and there will also be HumDee apps for individual chapters. So you can see that was Mathematics 1. Similarly, you can launch class 2 math all the way up to class 5 math. Okay, so this is about all math content, and then there will be other general knowledge topics. There's an encyclopedia on math. Then I pointed to the web portal Mathigan already, and then there are other web portals on math that we will also support. So this comes to the conclusion of the math module demo video. So you can see that we will have substantial math content that covers class 1 through 5 at a bare minimum, and then quite likely classes 6 through 8. And then we have content starting with numbers, counting, the different math operations, and pretty soon we will have all the way up to fraction simplification. This concludes the video on the math module in HumDee.